Sounds are a part of our daily lives, but when it gets too loud and/or chaotic, it is now noise. Noise pollution affects millions of people around the world on a daily basis. In response to unwanted noise and noise pollution, some companies developed synthetic materials such as acoustic products, soundproof wallpaper and paint, fiberglass, etc. But these synthetic materials are not all environmentally friendly. Some soundproofing products, such as acoustic panels, have polyester, and most types of polyester are made from plastic. This study aims to develop an organic material derived from bird's nest fern or Asplenium nittis and cassava peel or Manihot esculenta that may be utilized as an alternative to existing soundproofing materials such as polymers and other artificial non-sustainable materials. This experiment would greatly help the students, teachers, or any individuals in concentrating on their work without being distracted by noise. An experimental setup will include a decibel meter, a speaker, an organic panel, and a DIY testing box. The cassava peel and bird's nest trunk are shredded to provide the desired texture and quality for the panel. The fibers will be washed in distilled water, drained, and dried in the sun for approximately 1 to 3 days or until crispy. The cassava peel and bird's nest trunk are molded, then will finally be coated with an additional 400 milliliters of wood glue and Elmer's glue. After coating, the panel will be sun-dried for about 3 to 5 days until it hardens. 3 sets of tests are designed to evaluate the potency of organic panels, each with a distinct sound or volume level of 50 decibels, 60 decibels, and 70 decibels. The researchers created 4 setups for the proportion of cassava peel and bird nest trunks. Setup A, B, C, and D. The panels were tested at 50 dB, 60 dB, and 70 dB. The findings are as follows: 36.2 dB, 41.5 dB, and 50.9 dB. For set A, 37.5 dB, 44.7 dB, and 52.5 dB for set B, 37.5 dB, 45.7 dB, and 54.7 dB for set C, and 49.7 dB, 58.4 dB, and 67.9 dB for set D. The noise reduction panel composed of bird's nest fern and cassava peels was deemed successful. This was because it could attenuate sound from a wide range of decibel levels. For example, configuration D depends on the panels to decrease noise. Setup A used 7 to 5% cassava peels and 25% fern and had a 30% decrease rate compared to the other setups. This indicates it achieved a minimum noise reduction rating of 30 decibels.